How can you avoid this sugar rush that you get when you use AI and you deliver tons of features, immediately followed by a crash? My name is Ravi Verma. I'm the founder at orgwhisperers.com. And today I want to give you a simple example that will illustrate step by step what are some warning signs of risk materializing in your AI adoption so that you can intervene and do some quick course correction and risk management. So let's think of a company, typical company, experiencing a lot of pressure to adopt AI. Chances are they don't want to waste the money and they want to get high ROI of AI adoption. You might ask, how will you know that AI generated ROI? In this case, they want to be able to secure funding by impressing future investors about their competence and mastery, their ability to use AI to deliver more results than their competitors. So let's start from the bottom. This company starts using some AI tools, maybe Claude, ChatGPT, what have you. There is like an exponential hockey stick curve, and they deliver more features, increase in throughput. Sunny day scenario, users are more successful, loving the features, using the features to save money, make more money, reduce risk exposure, reduce lawsuits, compliance issues. Word spreads, more users are adopting these cool features that you delivered using AI. Users are delighted. They love your product, all the new features. User retention is going through the roof, never been this high before. Even better, users have become your evangelists. They have become your salespeople. ARR goes up, valuation goes up, you get the next round of funding, voila, high ROI AI. Now let's look at maybe a rainy day scenario. You delivered a big bunch of new features. The problem is it exceeds the capacity of the users to absorb change. They are trying to look at all these features, they have a whole bunch of new questions. Support lines are blowing up, lots of support tickets, and maybe you don't have agents right now who can handle all the support calls. So now you have to rely on those pesky things known as human beings. The support team is now getting flooded and overwhelmed. Get a whole bunch of escalations because the support team is not able to resolve these issues on time. Turns out many of these issues are actual defects. The agents that you used to write the code might not be able to resolve the defects that they created. Now you have to rely on those pesky things called human beings. Problem is, they are struggling to understand and debug the code that was written by agents. Defect fix time is going through the roof. Now you're burned because you relied on the agents to write all the code to deliver all the new features. But now you're worried, are you going to replicate this cycle over and over again? So maybe you want to add some human in the loop oversight. And because of that, your feature cycle time and your feature is increasing and your feature throughput is decreasing. Because the features are buggy, not doing what you thought they would, users are not successful. They are not making more money. They are not saving more money. They are not saving time. They are not avoiding compliance issues and they're not reducing risk. Word spreads, user adoption goes down. Users are upset, not delighted. They start canceling your contracts. Worse, they may start bad mouthing you on social media. ARR goes down, Valuation goes down, don't get the next round of funding, low ROI AI. I don't know what's going to happen in your context. My life coach Joy Perkins often used to remind me the quality of life is determined by the quality of questions you ask. I want to leave you with some questions to consider. What might go wrong in your AI adoption? What are the warning signs of things going wrong? What are the signs that the risks are materializing in front of your eyes? And how will you step in and do course correction should that happen? Until our next conversation, thank you.